Mike here with 2AR Tactical. Okay guys, so it's a fresh 300 blackout build we just got done doing, and we're going to give it a run. This one came with 7 magazines. We did this one in Armorer's Black Cerakote for the main body, but here on the other side, he wanted the Texas flag, a subdued, done in Sniper Gray. Well, I had to mix up some different shades of the Sniper Gray so that I can, distinguish between the blue, the red, and the white star on the Texas flag. Kind of torn and tattered here, but overall it really turned out nice. I really like the way that looks. So yeah, you guessed it, this is going to Texas. So 300 blackout. He wanted a compact small pig gun, something for up close. And that 300 blackout will definitely get the job done. So, all right, we're going to be giving this one a test run. See how well it's going to do. We got the SB A3 brace on here, and we also have it outfitted with a, you guessed it, one of my favorite triggers, right? The Foztech Echo AR2 trigger. So let's pop a few rounds off in semi-auto and move over to the Echo mode and see how well it's going to do. All right, here we go. Wow, really love the thump of that 300 blackout. Let's do a double tap. It's pretty quick. Yeah, let's just dump the magazine. Test fire it out. Wow, that thing is a beast. I love the repetition that the Echo AR2 trigger gives because it works solely off the bolt. So you can only go as fast as your bolt can cycle, right? All right, guys, if you guys are interested in a custom built Honey Badger, we call them Honey Badgers because, again, we use the Spikes Tactical Honey Badger lower receiver. Safe, semi, and don't give a shit. So if you're interested or want to know more about our custom hand builds that we do here with Cerakote work that we also do here in house, you can contact us several different ways. You can go to Instagram at 2AR Tactical Custom Guns. You can look us up on Facebook at 2AR Tactical, and you can also, of course, go to our website at 2artactical.com. Once you're on that front page, just go to the top right corner, see Home About Gallery, click the shop link. You'll enter into our shopping side, and you'll see, guys, these Honey Badgers under featured items. And you can configure them however you want. That's the beauty of what we do. So you won't find these in any gun store around. So, all right. Thanks, guys.